Hi, welcome to Adapt Analog. This is the Yashica 35MF. I picked it up for a whopping $2, and as anybody would be, I was skeptical when I first purchased this. I mean, come on, it's $2. I wasn't expecting too much. But I researched a bit about this camera, and I found out that it was released in 1976, and apparently it was the follow-up to the Electro series. The 35MF uses a 1.5 volt battery and features a 35mm fixed lens, fully automatic, scale focus, and built-in flash. Aperture can be set from f2.8 to f16. The only thing you can't set is the shutter speed. The 35MF's shutter runs from 1/60th to 1/250 with a 7-stop range. The focus distance can be set from 1 meter, 1.5 meters, 3 meters, and infinity. I have also seen some people call this a rangefinder, but much like our Canon 28, this is strictly a zone finder model. It's like a basic camera. When you touch it, it feels like a toy, but I'll say this, it's quite a hefty beast. It's not as small as my WIO-2 or my Yashica T4, but the simpleness is what I like most about this camera. Using it is a no-brainer. Just point, set distance, and shoot. Loading film isn't half bad either. And as you can see from the sample images, it's quite impressive for a $2 camera. It's well worth the investment. I would actually have this over any disposable camera any day. For $2, this camera is definitely an investment. I'd recommend it if you can find it anywhere, either on Yahoo auctions or at a garage sale. If you can find it for under $5, definitely pick it up. So that's it, everybody. The Yashica 35MF. One of my favorite cheap cameras ever. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.